time to change the anode in the hot water heater. And there it is. So I ordered this anode from Amazon while we were kind of stuck in the camper in quarantine. It looks fine. It actually comes with the Teflon tape. I ordered this extension and this socket because I didn't have a 1 inch, well, 1 1/16 inch socket. And of course this is an impact socket. Hope it works. So and I'll just have this just dedicated to changing the anode because I bought 2 and I'll be changing them religiously every year. Just a little tight. I think it needed changing. It was getting really darn close. I don't think it has to be too tight. It was way too tight. Whoever tightened it last. So there we go. Close that. And I don't have an outside switch. My switch is inside only. So let's go turn on the water. No leaks. And let's go turn on the hot water. Get the air out of the hot water tank. Sure, all the hot water taps are deep. Got all the air out. That's good. And there we go. And now it's safe to turn on the hot water heater again. That was an easy job. There's lots of other jobs to do around the camper, so stick around. We're going to tackle more work.